What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable Hey Siri on your iPhone. Hey Siri lets you activate Siri hands-free, so you can ask questions or issue commands simply by saying the wake phrase Hey Siri. It's especially useful for times when you're busy or can't reach your phone, while cooking, driving or working out. To start, open your iPhone Settings app. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Siri. Tap on it to access the Siri setup options. In the Siri menu, select Talk to Siri and you'll see an option called Press Side Button for Siri. If it's turned off, you can enable it by toggling the switch on the right. Now, either select the Hey Siri or Siri option. This will allow Siri to respond whenever you say Hey Siri without needing to press any buttons. When you toggle this for the first time, a setup screen will guide you through a few quick steps to train Siri to recognize your voice accurately. Tap Continue and you'll be prompted to say specific phrases so Siri can learn the sound of your voice. Follow the prompts that appear on the screen, which may include phrases like Hey Siri, how's the weather? Or Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes. Say each phrase clearly when prompted so Siri can understand you more accurately in the future. After you've completed the voice setup, Siri will be ready to activate whenever you say Hey Siri. If you ever want to disable this feature, simply go back to Siri in Settings and toggle off the Hey Siri feature. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.